Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good mornings and greetings to all of us, the honorable ladies and gentlemen of the Indonesia Science Project Olympiad in 2022. I am Muhammad Yandra Adityo and my friend
Danis Raffi Akmadira.
We are 11th grader from Cahaya Rancamaya Islamic Senior High School.
Agriculture has been one of the most important fields to maintain national food security for hundreds of years. This is because agriculture is a production activity based on the growth process of plants that are able to meet the basic needs of the community. Agricultural production also has a large impact on the national economy.
As one of the important fields in technology, innovation, and national development, implementation in this field is very important. Nanotechnology is currently being applied in agriculture. Nanomaterials have played several fundamental roles in agriculture, as a crop protection, as a fertilization, and promoting growth. One of the interesting nanomaterials that can be developed for agriculture is carbon nanodots.
Carbon nanodots, or CDOTs, are a nanomaterial with a size of 2 until 10 nanometers with non-toxic properties, good biocompatibilities, and excellent solubility in water, making them really highly attractive for application in agriculture. Citric acid is a common basic ingredient, and it's very easy to synthesize into CDOTs. We use citric acid because citric acid is a weak organic acid, which is mostly used for precursor, because it's cheap, it's non-toxic, and abundant.
Based on this problem, we determine the problem formulation. First, how does CDOTs work to increase the plant growth rate? Second, how to synthesize CDOTs from citric acid? And third, how to apply CDOTs of citric acid to increase the growth rate of agricultural crops.
So, this is our aim of research. We have two goals. The first one is knowing the synthesis technique of CDOTs from citric acid that can be applied to enhance the growth rate of agricultural crops. The second one is knowing how to apply CDOTs of citric acid to enhance the growth rate of agricultural crops.
Based on the description of the background above, we are proudly present the result of our research with the title Canopy, Carbon Nanodots Plant Enhancer, Improving Growth Plant
by using carbon nanodots synthesized from citric acid.
Our research was conducted from 2 September until 15 December 2021 at Physics Laboratory of Cahaya Rancamaya Islamic Boarding School. Carbon nanodots will be synthesized from citric acid using the pyrolysis method. Well, here is the ingredients that we use to synthesize CDOTs. Citric acid, distilled water, and milk powder. And the apparatus that we needed to synthesize CDOTs are beaker, measuring cylinder, digital balance, oven, and heat-resistant glove. The initial step in the synthesis of CDOTs is mixing 6 grams of citric acid with 3 grams of powdered milk in 60 ml of distilled water. All mixtures are then heated using an oven. Then, were carried out at temperature of 225 degrees Celsius with a heating time control variable of 60 minutes. To make sure that CDOTs have been synthesized, we can irradiating them with UV light to check the photoluminescence of CDOTs. Then, we can directly apply CDOTs to the plant as a plant enhancer. We use hydroponic method because it's considered more effective because it does not use soil. So, the use of fertilizers and water will be more efficient.
In this research, we test two hydroponic media with different contents. One of them is applied with CDOT to test the growth rate of plants. Here is the data table of testing the effect of CDOTs for the growth rate of plants. According to this table, growth plants in one day has increased quite rapidly. Compared with the growth in the table of plants without application of CDOTs is shown in this table. According to this table, plants without CDOTs application experience slower growth compared to the plants that were applied with CDOTs. This is because the effect of CDOTs is greatly affects the rate of growth in plants. Well, the illustration of growth rate in plants can be shown on the graph of plant length against growing time as shown in this figure. Based on this figure, the effect of CDOTs on plants increasing the growth rate, the increase in plant growth with the application of CDOT was seen on the first day when compared to the growth of plants without the application of CDOTs. Growth in plants that were not applied CDOTs have an average growth of 2.8 cm per day, while the growth of plants that were applied with CDOT had an average growth of 3.6 cm per day. The increase in plant growth rate increased by 28.5% after being applied with CDOTs.
So the conclusion of this research is, CDOTs based on citric acid as a plant enhancer have been successfully synthesized by using pyrolysis method. In this study, variation time and temperature have been carried out by using an oven. The best temperature was obtained in this study is 225 degrees Celsius, and the best heating time was obtained for 60 minutes. The increase in plant growth rate increased by 28.5% after being applied with CDOTS. I think that's all from us. Thank you for watching our presentation. Hopefully our presentation will be useful.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.